Hey everybody, it is Jessica Lynn from JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, and today we are going to go ahead and ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway out in Hollywood Studios in Orlando. Now, the location of this ride was the former location of the Great Movie Ride, which was such an iconic attraction at Disney World Studios. It used to take guests on a captivating ride through the cinema. You walk through the Chinese theater, which you still do, and you were able to watch some of the movies from the Golden Ages classic films all the way through blockbusters. Truthfully, it was one of the coolest rides, and I remember it was such a powerful story that it used to tell. Now, the best part about Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is that it's the first ever ride-through attraction featuring our favorite couple, Mickey and Minnie Mouse. And as you walk through, there are thousands, I repeat, thousands of hidden Mickeys throughout the ride. So it could be on the carpet, on the wall. So be sure to look out and find how many you can see during our adventure.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure thing, Goofy. That does sound like a lot of paperwork, though.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
All right, everyone. It seems as though our premiere took a bit of a detour, but if you head right this way, we can figure this out together.
Ooh, into the cartoon we go. We are on our way. I cannot wait. This should be a lot of fun. I absolutely love Mickey Runaway Railway. So just about time to go. So let's go. All right, here we go.
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mick and Minnie. Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh, it's working all the way. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now. I knew somehow that we would finally get there. We have one crazy night. Love by my side. The stars will be on earth. Nothing can tear us down. The stars will be on earth. And nothing can stop.
So I hope that you enjoyed this ride through a couple of fun things to, that you can share next time you go on the ride. So that little orange bird's name is Chubby, and Chubby is a boy. You might see him with eggs, but if you go and look, Chubby is listed that he is a boy. The other thing I do want to share with you as well is how to get on this ride. So you are going to find that this ride gets very busy right away, but if you can head over at Rope Drop, this is a great one to try and get to, or do this one around dinner time and then again in the evening. Once Phantasmic starts, this almost becomes a walk-on, so I would encourage you to take a look and see, if you can do it at that point. The other option is a fast pass, but I'll be really honest, unless you're buying Genie for the whole day and you get it included, it's worth it, but I wouldn't pay any extra. It's a lot of fun, so I hope that you enjoyed this. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn. I do a lot of Disney content, wilderness at Wisconsin Dells, as well as original art, so I'd love to have you subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below, and I'll see you again real soon. Take care, everybody.